UFC Crow 19704. This is random weight class. Good luck, everyone. Here we go. One, two, three, 4, and 5. Top is the light heavies, bottom is the lightweight. That is 5 times. Sounds like AW was good today. Alright, here we go. 19704. Alright. Refractor, Chuck, Amira, Johnny Walker, Tifo, Retro. Purple, Mackenzie Dern, Hyper Font, Rob Font again, red, John Jones, and Demir Ismagulov to 299. Johnny Walker, big flying knee there. Forrest Griffin, the notorious Conor McGregor. Cape, Refractor, Bilal Muhammad, Guerrero, Kamara Usman. Purple, Dan Ige, Rakic, Makshev, Angela Hill, and Taito Vasa to 109. Auto coming up, and we have Forrest Griffin, one of the genuine GOATs. Royce Gracie, the Dragon, the Yoda Machida. Light heavyweight, the UFC would not be where it is now without Forrest Griffin. And Stephen Bonner. Purple, Sergey, GSP, Joshua Quinlan. Taylor Tate, Dariush, and Sean O'Malley. I just completely burnt out. I am cooked. Hyper, Spivak, Valentina Shevchenko, green, Mason Barber to 99. Purple, Holloway, red, Dawson, refractor, Todorovic, Stevie Miocic, and then Fiore. Black Sheep, Sins, Grassos, Hooker, Kamaev, and Amir Albazi. Shun Wu, Neho, Elvis Brenner, Refractor, Taylor Tate, Busei Judo, and Khabib to 150. Just need that super fractor. It's kind of all we haven't got so far. We've done a lot of good, hit a lot of nice stuff. We just have not hit that super fractor yet. And Aaron Blanchfield is the auto for this one. Purple, Harris, Charles Oliveira, and Alexander the Great. That is UFC 19704 done.